There you go, too.
The guy I was looking for all day.
Got him.
Finally. Jax, what kind of fish is this?
Pampuna.
Welcome back to another episode on what the beach has to offer today. Today is Monday. It's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day to everyone out there. We are here at the beach at Villano, giving it a go. The water looks beautiful. We got west winds and the water is clean. Hopefully we get on some good fish today. Stay tuned. We're gonna cut the tails off and we're gonna cut them in small pieces like this, right?
Mm-hmm. I'll save this for later.
Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna teach you, Calvin, on how to hook these. Okay?
Okay.
Follow me. Okay. Watch. I'm gonna put the small shrimp on here, just like that. And we're gonna put another one on this one.
I put the rest for the other fish on.
You wanna put the rest on the other one? Come on. Right here. Just watch your finger. Gotta grab it right here. Grab it with the left hand here. There you go. Good job, Calvin. Now you want to put a fish bite on there, so our bait doesn't fly off when we cast it. So pretty much you do this. See that? What's up?
Good.
You having a good time at the beach? Having fun?
Yep.
Now what kind of fish you trying to get today?
Redfish.
Redfish? Cool. The water is beautiful. What kind of bait are we using today?
Shrimp.
Shrimp, that's right. Massive hit. Whoa, ladyfish. Thank you. Bye-bye, lady fish. Come here.
Up there.
Face that way. All right. Get up. All right. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. And jump. Come here, Kelvin. Come on. Put your foot. All right. The other foot. All right. Wait. Wait. Stand. 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 Jump.
Cut the tail because the pompano don't like
Good job.
the tail.
All right. Open it like this and cut it right here. Yeah. All right. This is good enough. Come on. Wait. There we go. Go ahead, put it on there. Let's be careful. All right. You want to put a fish bite?
Yeah. No, once you put the fish bite. Okay.
I was watching it back there, that's why I stopped. I was like, he popped it earlier, barely touched it. Oh, lady fish. What are you catching here, dude?
I'm hoping for a pompano.
Yep. Pompano, you might have another one in there. That one's getting ready to go too.
Hey,
That's a good one.
pompano.
Good job.
Hey, on the way.
Not bad. That's goodies right there.
That's very good eating. This is the guy I was looking for all day.
Got him.
Finally. Jax, what kind of fish is this?
Pompano.
Call it dinner. Let's call it
Yeah.
dinner.
Wow. Look at that massa. That's my dinner.
Oh.
Get away from it.
What's
Hey,
my
thanks for the good luck, man.
Oh my god.
Oh, my hands are wet. I'm gonna slip.
No, you're gonna make me sweat.
Leave it alone. It's gonna pinch you. Leave it alone. Leave it alone, bro. It's gonna get you. Jax, leave it alone, bro. Where are you from?
I'm from United States.
What state? Florida? And you never gone fishing? Oh man, fishing is fun.
So what happens when a bird steals the fish?
Hey, the bird gotta eat too, right?
I see it. Was that two?
It's a black drum.
Another big drum?
Yes.
What fish is that?
Same one, black drum, but smaller. You wanna touch it? Careful, careful, careful.
That fish is scary.
Touch him. Don't be scared. Come on. Touch him. Touch him right here. I'll hold him. I'll hold him. He ain't gonna hurt you. See?
South Texas.
See? black drum.
Where's the
But
measuring
it's
tape?
small. We're gonna put it back.
Where's
Right here, right here.
That was a beauty.
Yeah.
I thought
Hey, Jax, come here.
you bought something.
The beach was packed with surfers, and it was just becoming hard to fish. So we packed up and called it a day. We brought this guy in